Hi everyone, I'm teacher JM and I am from Banmay School. How are you today? Okay, today we are going to learn a new lesson about food and nutrition. Nutrition. Okay, now do you have idea what is food? What is nutrition? Okay, I will give you a 5 seconds to think about food and nutrition. Time starts now. Okay, time's up. Okay, let's define first what is food. Okay, food is any edible material that supports growth, repair, and maintenance of the body. Okay, food is the one that supports the growth, repair, and maintenance of our body. Okay, nutrition is the combination of processes by which the living organism receive and use food materials necessary for growth, maintenance of functions, and repair components parts. Okay, let's read our vocabulary for today. Okay, we have carbohydrates, bread, butter, chips, cake, noodles, protein, milk, rice, meat, egg, fats, cereal, fish, chocolate, egg yolk, and full-fat yogurt. Okay, repeat after me, students. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Carbohydrates, bread, butter, chips, cake, noodles, protein, milk, rice, meat, egg, cheese, fats, cereal, fish, chocolate, egg yolk, full fat yogurt. Okay, now let's proceed to our sentence structures. Okay, for our sentence structures, I will say name some foods that contain blank, 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 and blank. Okay, name some foods that contain blank, 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 and blank. Okay, let's have a practice. Okay, are you ready? Okay, let's try. Okay, I will say name some foods that contain fats. Name some foods that contain fats. And you are going to answer cooking oil, peanuts, and butter. Cooking oil, peanuts, and butter. Okay, another example. Name some foods that contain vitamins. Name some foods that contain vitamins, and you are going to answer meat, vegetables, and milk. Meat, vegetables, and milk. Okay, now let's proceed to our second sentence structure. Okay, I will say, does an blank contain blank? Does an blank contain blank? And you are going to answer, yes, it does. No, it doesn't. It contains blank. Yes, it does. No, it doesn't. It contains blank. Okay, let's have an example. Okay, does a fruit juice contain water? And you're going to answer, yes, it does, or no, it doesn't. It contains blank. Yes, it does, or no, it doesn't. It contains blank. Okay, now let's proceed to our 6 types of nutrition. Okay, we have carbohydrate. Okay, repeat after me. Carbohydrate. Again, carbohydrate. Okay, let's read what is carbohydrate. Okay, it is the main source of energy. It is the main source of energy. Okay, what are the examples of carbohydrate? Okay, we have rice, noodles, bread. Okay, that is carbohydrate, the main source of energy. Okay, is protein. Protein. Okay. Let's define what is protein. Okay. Protein, it is the building material for all body parts. Building material for all body parts. Okay. What are the example of protein? Okay, we have meat, fish, and milk. Meat, fish, and milk. Okay. What is protein again? Okay, very good. Okay, the example of protein are meat, fish, and okay. Now let's proceed to fats. Okay, fats. Okay, let's define what is fats. Okay, it's composed of smaller units called fatty acids. Composed of smaller units called fatty acids. Okay. Okay, do you know what is fats? Okay. Example of fats are cooking oil, peanuts, and butter. Okay. Students, read what are the example of fats? Okay, very good. Okay, example of fats are cooking oil, peanuts, and butter. Okay, now let's proceed to vitamins. Okay, vitamins is needed in small amount for the body to grow, develop, and stay healthy. Okay, do you have idea what is vitamins? Okay, can you give me example of vitamins? I will give you 3 seconds. Okay, these are the example of vitamins. Okay, we have fruits, vegetables, eggs, and milk. Fruits, vegetables, eggs, and milk. Okay. Okay, read, students. Okay, very good. Now that is example of vitamins. Okay, and okay, next is minerals. Okay, minerals. Okay, let's read. 1, 2, 3, go. Minerals help to maintain good health and help the body to function properly. Okay, help to maintain our good health and help the body to function properly. Okay, what are the examples of mineral? Okay, minerals are example. We have milk, vegetables, fish, and meat. Milk, vegetables, fish, and meat. Okay, it's important for our body. And last is water. Okay, water. Okay, do you drink 8 glasses of water every day? Okay, let's define what is water. Okay, water transport nutrients to cell. Okay, water transport nutrients to cell. And example of water are, okay, let's read. 1, 2, 3, go. Fruit juice, soups, plain water, and mineral water. Okay, now let's have activity. Okay, are you ready? Okay, are you excited? Okay, now let's, okay, name some foods that contain carbohydrates. Okay, name some foods that contain carbohydrates. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, very good. Now another example. Name some foods that contain proteins. Okay, name some foods that contain proteins. Okay, 3, 2, 1 starts now. Okay, very good. Now, okay, next. Does a fruit juice contain water? Does a fruit juice contain water? 3, 2, 1 starts now. Okay, very good. Okay, next, another example. Does an apple contain vitamins? Does an apple contain vitamins? 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, very good. Now, can you define the 6 types of nutrients? Can you define the 6 types of nutrients? 3, 2, 1 starts now, go. Okay, very good. Okay, that is the end of our lesson. And thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. Okay, bye.